Hi guys, and today we're showing fidgets, and I'm in pajamas, my pajamas, and
Watson, you didn't want to go for the ride to drop DJ next year?
I'm in the middle of a video right now.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Hi, and we're making a YouTube video. Yeah, I'm actually making it. So first we have this big robot poppet, and these pops are so big and so satisfying to pop. And I really like all the colors, actually. Yeah. And like red is my favorite color, so I really like this one really much. Next we have this circle poppet, and it's rainbow like the other one, and I really like this poppet. Next we have this star. This is a heart, and it's so glittery. Yeah, it's so glittery and yeah, I like this one. Why is there Among Us in here? That's sus. Next we have this boba fidget. I don't really like bobas. Also, it's almost like very night, so. Next we have a pop cube, an orange version, and it's so loud. Yeah, so loud. And hear this. This is so loud. That's hurting my ear. So I'm going on to the next one. Next we have this controller fidget, and it's black and blue, and I really love this, but Lexi actually gave this to me, and I really like it. What do we have first? Next we have this little ghost poppet, and I really like it, and it's white, and I really like it.
Nevermore continues to be a place where the questions far outweigh the answers.
Lexi's still wearing your socks on.
Next we have a tie-dye crab fidget, and it's white and blue, and I really like this one. And yeah, I really like it. Next we have this owl poppet, and it's rainbow, and I really like it, and also it's very cute.
She's been smothering me with hospitality. I have to return the favor. In her sleep.
Next we have this tie-dye circle fidget, and it's tie-dye, and it's pink and white and yellow, and I really like it. Yeah, look at this. Next we have another crab, kind of like this one. They're kind of identical. Wait, I think I got these from Maine or Cape Cod or something. Everyone stop walking. Make sure to like and subscribe. And there's still more. So, just reminding you. Next we have this other square poppet, and it's kind of like this one. Oh, we didn't do it. Oh, we didn't do it.
Right here.
Oh, that's not.
Right? This one?
No, no. Why are you here? And
He's trying to shoot a YouTube.
it's rainbow, and I really like it. Yeah. Next we have the simple dimple. It's missing one. You can come in the camera if you want. And every simple dimple is her favorite fidget, right? What do we have next? No, it's not. Yeah, it's not a fidget.
This dinosaur.
Ooh, this one is tie dye, and it can be used for a keychain for your backpack or something.
Okay, bud, we gotta go.
Next we have a slug.
Makes a really weird.
I want to say to be continued till next time. Say it.
No.
There's a part 2.
Yeah, there's a part 2. Make sure to like and subscribe for more.